Does your dryer make this sound? All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and come around to the back and we're gonna unplug the appliance, make sure the appliance is always unplugged before doing any type of work on anything. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go around and we're gonna remove these bolts that follow along the outside of the dryer. And that's the first step. All right, so these are 1/4" bolts. There's usually 9 total. Around the whole edge of the back of the dryer and just go around and loosen each one. I'm just loosening them and then I'll take them out by hand. Alright, so once you've got those bolts removed, we can go ahead and set this off to the side. And put it back of the dryer. So, judging by the sound we're hearing, I believe that sound is coming from the blower wheel, which is right behind this cover right here. So we'll go ahead and remove these 1/4" bolts. So there's 2 more right here on the left side still. One on the bottom. One here, a little bit base on the bottom. Okay, so once you've gotten these bolts removed, we're gonna have to come around to the front of the dryer here. All right, so what we're gonna do around the front here, go ahead and remove this lint trap. Grab your Phillips head screwdriver. There's 2 Phillips head bolts right here we're gonna remove so we can get that cover off the back. Go back around the back here. So this cover kind of pull up a little bit, just like so, and then it slides out at an angle. You can see how that's happening there. So as we're doing this, go ahead and take advantage of cleaning out the dryer. That common sound you heard, it's a very common sound. And it's because some type of obstruction, such as this screw right here, or these right here, and that's why you have that sound.